Okay, I have PleasantValleyRanch.com open, and what I'm going to do today is show you how to go in and edit a few things as far as text on different pages, how to edit a page, how to upload some photos, and maybe even put some photos in different spots. I can do more tutorials for you if you get to a section that or want to do something that you can't do or can't figure out on the site. I can make another tutorial for that, but for today I'll go through the basics, and you guys can stop and pause at any time and then play the video over and over, so that way if you forget something, if you don't use it for a while, you can go back and view it again. Okay, so I will be setting up a user for you, and once you or you will get an email with a set up your account, and you can type in your own password and all of that. Once you have that, you'll get that tomorrow morning when I send you the video link. Well, actually it'll be this morning, but once you get that and get your password set up, just click login up here at the top right. So once you visit the website PleasantValleyRanch.com, this will come up where you can log in. So once you click that, up come a username and password. The username will be whatever I set up for you, which will be your first and last name, and then whatever password you decide to use. So mine's already in here. I'm going to click login, and once you log in, you're going to have the same capabilities that I have. So there shouldn't be any issues with you not being able to do anything that I can't. That said, once you're logged in, you're going to see a bar up here at the very top. Has your name and some little icons, etc. What you want to do is, where it says Pleasant Valley Ranch here, is go to Dashboard. Once you do this, this is kind of the back end of the website, and over here on your left is all of the toolbars to edit the complete site and to do everything you need to do. Step one is going to be, I'll just go over the users real quick, and I'm going to go ahead and set up Becky real fast. I have her email, so this is going to show you how to add a user. If you want to add somebody to be able to edit your website, you just click Add New up here. Username, email, so I'm going to make you a administrator, which has full editing capabilities. If you want to add somebody that you don't want, I don't know why you would add somebody that wasn't an administrator, because really there's it's not set up like a blog or anything, so you probably won't add anybody. But if you want to add Judy or John or Aaron or Hillary, this is how you would do that. You would just select administrator, enter in all their information in the blocks, and then hit add new user. And what this is going to do is send them a new user email about their account, and then you'll set up your own password, and then once you get that and set up, you just log in like I just showed you, and then we'll go through some picture things here. So I'm going to hit add new user. So you should now be set up. So let's go over how to add some photos. So up here under dashboard is the media icon. You can click media. And what this is going to do is show you the media library where you can upload photos. So if you've already got your photos saved on your desktop, you can just click Add New. You can either select your files, and maybe you have them on your desktop or in a folder somewhere. You can select a folder of photos if you want, and click that one, and you can hit open and it'll upload, or you can drag and drop. Let me open up the Pleasant Valley Ranch file system here. And so if I have a photo of Pleasant Valley Ranch that I want to upload, let's say here's another one of the blob. We like that one. You can drag and drop as well. And what you want to do is, once you upload a photo, I like to go in and add custom title, custom alt text, custom description, because what this does is it allows search engine optimization and people looking for certain things to find you easier online. So I just usually name it Pleasant Valley Ranch because that just reinforces the name over and over. So I just select it, copy it. I'll go over here, select this photo, and just hit paste, 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 and maybe just put blob. Or you can be as descriptive as you like. It's really not super important, but it does help in Google searches. So when you upload a photo, and you can upload like 10 photos at one time, and once they all upload, then you can go in and enter all this information. Okay, so that's how you upload a photo, and it's that easy. So if you want to edit a page now, let's say, let me open this in a new tab. So under attractions, so I'm kind of showing you two things on how to, hold on, let me stop this. So I'm kind of showing you two things, how to edit a page and how to insert a photo into a website. So you have indoor attractions here, so maybe in outdoor attractions we want to add a photo. So what you want to do is you're going to click on Edit with Page Builder. So when you're on the page, that you can actually browse your site, and whatever page you're on at any time, you can edit with Page Builder. There's also another way of doing this, is if you actually go to Pages, over here on the left, it actually shows a bunch of pages that I will actually delete because it's part of what I uploaded. So it would actually be called Attractions, and you can hit Edit with Page Builder there as well, and it takes you to the same thing. So once we click Edit with Page Builder, and you're going to want to be careful here. If you don't feel comfortable doing this, I would just edit a little piece at a time, because this is controlling the entire web page. And that's loud. So this can change the entire look. So what we can do here is each item will have like a settings gears thing here. This is delete. This is your move. You can move things around. The double page icon here is going to clone it or copy it, and then this is where your settings are. So for instance, if we want to add a photo underneath the video, this is called Media Container. So what we can do is go down here to the bottom and hit Add Elements. And these are all the elements that you can place into your website. So under Content over here, right now we're under All Elements, which it'll be in here under Media Container. Actually right here it is. So what we can do is either do that or an image box, but this will work just fine. So I'm just pulling it up here and I'm adding it right underneath the video. So then I just go to settings, click on the settings, and then there's a lot of things in here that you can mess with, but like the height of the image and other things like that. But if you want, I can lay all that out once we decide what looks good, etc. So what you want to do now is go to background and styles options. You can give it a color, a video, or an image. But this is an instance on how you would edit a page and select the image you just uploaded if you wanted to do that, or I can do it and no problem. So we're going to select this blob image here once I click insert here. So it shows you the image, and again we're editing this media container that I grabbed from down here in the elements and drug up here. And then once we're done, we're done. You just X out of it. Oh. So I'm going to go back into settings because it's like displaying the same photo over and over again. And what that is down here underneath the photo is a repeat, and you want no repeat. We're going to click center for background position, so it centers it. And then we're going to put cover. Because what cover does is it'll take the photo and blow it up to fit that whole container width and size. So when you X out, it's going to reload it. So as you can see, this photo is low resolution. It doesn't really look the best. So what we're going to do is just X this out and delete what we just did. One thing as well, once you update or once you add something to the site, on the page, once you edit the page, you have to click publish over here in the bottom for it to save. So if I click publish now, then it's going to save, but it's going to save just like it was. Nothing's going to change. And then when you're done, you can view the page. We're just going to open us up in another tab. Visit the site. So what I do is I work in multiple tabs across the top. I don't know if you'll get this far, but what you can do then is see what you've done. So if I did add a photo, or let's say I changed some text, what you can do is go into the gear settings for the title element here. So this is called outdoor attractions. And so right there is that. There's font settings that control the title. So as you can see, the title is orange right here. So I've selected an orange color scheme along with brown, like a dark brown to match the logo and things I made. So all of that is set, but you can change the size, the font weight. If you want outdoor attractions to be a little bit bigger, you can go to 18 pixels, X out, and it's going to make this a little bit bigger. Actually, I think I made the bullet points bigger. Yeah, I did. So right here's the title. So if I make it 26 and X out, then that's a little bit larger. If you're happy with that, you click publish. And so this is what the site looks like, and what you want to do is hit refresh. And once you refresh the site, you're going to see right there the font just got bigger. So I'm going to keep pausing this. So that's an easy way to edit things, like edit text. go back over here. Any of this text stuff, you'll be able to edit and change. Let's go to a different page, like about the staff. This here, I kind of pulled from the other website, but I don't know obviously all of the board of directors. So if you guys want to go in and change that, you're more than welcome to, or you can shoot me an email with the list, and I can go in and change it easy enough. So I think that's pretty much it on that. I can show you a few other things as well. So if you want to change the text, again, on this page, it's the little gears on the green highlighted bar. There are a few things if you edit, like this little break here, and that's basically a return space. So if you took out this little break, Aaron and Hillary Young would be on the same line as Rob Kurt. So there's little things, HTML coding things that I know my way around enough to edit a little bit better. So again, if you don't feel comfortable doing some of this, I can do it. I just wanted to show you how to edit some of the pages. So you can click on any page. This is a contact form, but the address you can edit. Some other things as well. You just click edit with page builder, and then everything else is kind of self-explanatory. Once you go in, you click the gear and go in and just read, and you can kind of figure out how it works. But I've been through I've built a lot of websites with using this type of template, so I know my way around really fast and can probably edit things very, very quickly. And so instead of you guys spending a half hour trying to figure it out, I can definitely do that for you. So this is the name of the theme of WordPress. So we're going to go in here just for a minute to show you some general options, like info card options. You can show this if you want. What this does is when you hover over the logo, something happened. When you hover over the logo, a info card will come up. I can show you. I'll hit save real quick, and then I'm going to hit refresh. So right here where it says hover me, hold on. That video plays and it's so loud on my headphones, sorry. So when you hover the logo, basically this info card comes up with some website and things like that. Right now I had it turned off, but in this section, I'm going to go ahead and click save and hide that again. But there are some other things in here, a call to action. If I show this, it says free quote right now. So if I refresh this page, the call to action banner will come up on the top right. Right here, and that can say anything, and it can be linked to anywhere. So if you wanted to say contact us or email us, I can do that. But that's where some of this stuff resides. I have it pretty minimized right now. Don't show a ton of this stuff. Some logo options, you probably won't need to mess with that. The favicon, this is the image up here in your tab bar. It's basically a simple version of the logo I made up here in the tab. Other than that, I don't think you're going to navigate through this too much. I will handle anything you guys need past that point. So the main thing, again, is going to be your media. You just click Media Library here, and if you want to add photos, you can drag a file right into the screen from your desktop, or you can click Add New, and in the same thing, you can drag in this screen as well, or you can hit Select Files, and you can choose the photo from a folder system on your computer. And then pages, if you want to edit that, obviously I went through that with you. We can change the names and all of that, but I think photos right now would probably help me and help you the most. Once we get some good photos uploaded, which you guys can do, and then I can take it from there and edit. So I think I've covered most everything. If you guys get into something that you want to edit and be like, man, we just cannot edit this, how do you do this? Let me know, and I'll make a tutorial specifically about how to edit a certain function or do something about that. So looks like I forgot to turn off the hover. Oh, I did. But anyway, I think that's it. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you. I think that's it. If Judy wants her own user and password, I can set that up. If you, after seeing this video, having a little trouble figuring that out, I can set her up as well. Thank you. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks. Bye.